Estate planning is for everyone. It's how you manage your assets and secure your family's future. Here we debunk 6 myths and walk you through the process of estate planning. Plus, understanding probate is key as it proves your will and ensures your assets are distributed according to your wishes. Estate planning is the process of managing and distributing your assets and financial affairs after you pass away or become incapacitated. It's the process of creating a comprehensive plan that outlines how your assets will be preserved, managed, and distributed according to your wishes. Estate planning is not just for the wealthy. It's for anyone who wants to have their loved ones looked after and have their assets distributed according to their wishes. Estate planning involves creating a will or trust to distribute assets, naming beneficiaries for life insurance policies and retirement accounts, powers of attorney to manage financial affairs if incapacitated, having a living will to outline end-of-life medical care. A good estate plan will ensure your wishes are respected and your loved ones are not stressed and financially burdened. By dealing with all aspects of your financial affairs, an estate plan gives you peace of mind and clarity for your family. One of the biggest myths about estate planning is that it's only for the wealthy. This myth comes from the idea that only those with big assets need to worry about their estate. But that's not true. Estate planning is for everyone, regardless of net worth. It's not just about distributing wealth, it's about having your wishes respected and your loved ones looked after. For example, if you have minor children, naming a guardian in your will means they'll be raised by someone you trust instead of leaving it to the courts. Without proper estate planning, assets may go through probate, which can be time-consuming and stressful for loved ones. Also, estate planning deals with all aspects of your financial affairs, including savings accounts, debts, and property. Most people have some assets or liabilities that need to be addressed, and a clear plan helps to manage these elements. It can also reduce the estate tax burden on your heirs regardless of the size of the estate. In short, estate planning protects your loved ones and has your wishes respected. It's a must for everyone, not just the wealthy. Delaying estate planning is a common myth. Many people think they can wait until they're older to start. But life is unpredictable, and waiting can lead to problems. Having an estate plan in place ensures your personal wishes are respected no matter what your age. Accidents, illnesses, and unexpected events can happen at any time, and having a plan can prevent big problems. Young families especially face unique risks, so early estate planning is crucial for financial security and peace of mind. Also, an estate plan is an ongoing process that needs to be updated with life changes. Big life changes like divorce require updating the estate plan to deal with the first spouse. Starting early allows for adjustments over time, so the plan always reflects your current wishes and circumstances. Many think having a will is enough to manage an estate. A will is important, but it doesn't cover everything. Trusts and powers of attorney are also part of a complete estate plan. Trusts, for example, can set specific conditions for asset distribution and may offer tax benefits. They can protect assets from creditors and ensure distribution according to your exact wishes. Powers of attorney are also important. They allow someone to make decisions for you if you become incapacitated, including managing finances, making medical decisions, and handling other important affairs. Without this, your loved ones may face legal hurdles to act on your behalf. Also, designating beneficiaries on accounts like retirement funds and life insurance policies can have assets bypass probate and be transferred quicker and more efficiently. A will alone does not exempt assets from the probate process, so additional estate planning tools are needed. Effective estate planning should include trusts, powers of attorney, and beneficiary designations along with a will. Estate planning sometimes seems scary and complicated, so many put it off indefinitely. This perception comes from the idea that it involves long and expensive meetings with an estate attorney and complicated legal mumbo-jumbo. Understanding the basics of estate planning can make the legal process much simpler. For example, using modern templates to create a will is tempting because it can be quicker than watching a Netflix episode. However, many DIY options leave holes in details and open up your wishes to family conflict. Having a professional as your estate administrator can take the burden off managing complex tasks. This makes the process less scary and ensures your wishes are carried out. Using tools like living trusts to avoid probate can simplify estate management. Breaking down the estate planning process into smaller steps and using the resources available makes it more doable. Starting early and seeking help when needed means your estate plan is thorough and effective without being overwhelming. A dangerous myth is that family members or loved ones will automatically know what to do with your assets when you pass away. This assumption can be a big problem. Verbal agreements or assumptions can lead to family feuds, as different members will interpret your wishes differently. Proper planning with a legal document ensures your wishes are carried out exactly. This gives clarity and prevents disputes among your loved ones. Dying without a will can lead to long and expensive court battles. The court decides asset distribution, which may not be what you want. A formal estate plan ensures your assets are managed and distributed as you want it, so you and your family can have peace of mind. Many think once an estate plan is created, it can't be changed. This is a big mistake. Life is full of changes, and your estate plan should change with it. A major life event like marriage, divorce, having a child, or health changes often require updates. For example, after divorce, you need to update your estate plan to address issues related to your first spouse. Similarly, buying or selling a big asset should prompt a review to make sure it aligns with your wishes. Review your estate plan every 3 to 5 years to make sure it's up to date with your current situation and wishes. If named beneficiaries or executors pass away, you can avoid family feuds. Updating your estate plan is an ongoing process that follows life's changes, so your wishes are always carried out. A legitimate estate planning process involves several steps. Each one is important to make sure your wishes are followed and your loved ones are protected. Here's what to expect. Gathering information. Start by gathering all your financial documents such as bank statements, investment accounts, and property deeds. List all your assets and liabilities to get a clear picture of your financial situation. Assessing goals and objectives. What do you want to achieve with your estate plan? This could be to provide for minor children, minimize estate taxes, or make sure specific assets go to certain family members. Creating a plan. Work with an experienced estate attorney to create a plan. This plan should outline how your assets will be distributed and managed and include the necessary legal documents like wills and trust. Implementing the plan. Sign the legal documents and name beneficiaries for life insurance policies and retirement accounts. File all papers properly and legally. Reviewing and updating the plan. Estate planning is an ongoing process. Review your estate plan every 3 to 5 years to make sure it's up to date and reflects any changes in your financial situation or goals. Major life events like marriage, divorce, having a child, or change of employment should prompt a review of your plan. Creating an effective estate plan involves several steps. Start by identifying your goals, which will determine what you want to achieve with your estate plan. Do an inventory of all your assets and liabilities to get a clear picture of your financial situation before you plan. Then name individuals for key roles like beneficiaries and guardians. Proper documentation is key to your estate plan being valid and effective. Incapacity planning ensures decisions are made if you can act, covering all aspects of your life and finances. A clear estate plan can prevent family feuds and conflicts over asset distribution after you pass away. Customized distributions like trusts for special circumstances address specific beneficiary needs. Comprehensive planning can also avoid the probate process, so asset distribution is smoother. Follow these steps to create a comprehensive and effective estate plan that reflects your wishes and gives you peace of mind. In summary, everyone needs estate planning regardless of financial situation. By debunking the myths of estate planning, you'll understand the importance of having a plan. Proper estate planning ensures your wishes are respected, reduces the burden on your loved ones, and minimizes conflict. And it can avoid the probate process and reduce the burden on loved ones. Now get started and create an estate plan. Get started today and secure your future and your loved ones. Estate planning is not just about wealth. It's about peace of mind and making sure your legacy is carried out as you want.
Thank you.